Hey everybody, Joe here with Rogue Fabrication. We just did our winner announcement for the October-November 2023 drawing, so it's early December, and that winner was Myron Jansen, and he was not present for the live video, which means he missed out on getting an extra $100 gift card added to his prize. His prize was worth just under $3,000, tubing bender package, powder coated with hydraulics. We're going to give him a call and tell him he's the winner. Hopefully he hasn't heard yet, because it's super fun when they get to find out on the phone. So we'll see if he answers as well. So
Hello.
hi, is this Myron?
Yeah.
Hey Myron, this is Joe with Rogue Fabrication. You entered a drawing a little bit ago by buying some swag on our webpage, a tech jacket and a hoodie. Remember that?
Yeah.
Don't worry, I'm not here to tell you about your car's extended warranty. I actually am Joe from Rogue Fab. I'm talking to you about your extended warranty. Your car is... No, I'm kidding. You actually won. You won the grand prize.
Are you for real?
I'm for real. Almost $3,000 worth of tools, including shipping to you in Washington.
No freaking way.
Yeah. So
no way.
Yeah, honestly, you won, man. Congratulations. And
wow.
Yeah,
that is wild.
I'm guessing you didn't tune into the little YouTube live stream and find out then yet, huh?
No, I work graveyard. I was actually I'm in bed right now.
Oh my gosh. Well, I'm sorry to interrupt your beginning of your rest, but what are you going to build? Do you already have a tube bender, that kind of thing? Want to kind of find out your story.
I do not have a tube bender. I actually just bought one of those Harbor Freight welders, though. My brother's going to kind of help me, teach me how to weld a little bit. He took some schooling a few years ago.
Sweet. Is it one of the Vulcan, like the orange ones?
Yeah.
Cool. I've heard those ones are actually pretty decent. They had some older ones that were, I think, the black case ones a long time ago that left a little more to be desired, but those orange ones are pretty decent.
Yeah, I've been following the Vulcan one for years and just have been wanting to buy it and just finally made the purchase.
Cool. What do you think you might build first out of bent tube if you have the skills and the tools in your shop?
I've been looking at those, like the KJ Racing tube chassis things. Those seem really fun. I also have a Jeep Cherokee that I want to build into kind of an off-road rig, so I'd probably build like an interior tube cage for that thing and probably some rock sliders or something.
Sweet. You know, it's really funny you have a Cherokee. I almost said your car's extended warranty on your Cherokee because I had a Jeep Cherokee, and it was... when I owned mine, it was like from the 80s, and people, I was getting those stupid phone calls, and I told them, like, guys, like, my car's ancient. Like, nobody would ever put a warranty on something that's this cheap. But
right.
yours is probably a lot newer and nicer than the hoopty that I had. But it's funny to say I almost said Jeep Cherokee, but they're also cool.
Yeah.
But no, that's sweet. Cross carts are great because they're approachable, and while you're working on it and welding on it, you don't have to be driving it because it's never going to be a daily because it's a cross cart. But
exactly.
That's sweet.
Yeah.
What I'll do is figure out what die you want with your machine. If you're doing potentially stuff on a Cherokee and also a cross cart, those will likely never share a die. The cross carts are usually 1 inch, 1.25 inches, 1.5 inches at the absolute biggest. And most off-road stuff, including unibody Jeeps like the Cherokee and Grand Cherokee, they're usually 1.75 inches, which would follow the most of the rest of the off-road stuff. So if you do the cross cart first, you'll probably need 2 to 3 dies, depends on which KJ planes you follow, so that you wouldn't be able to figure out like during this phone call. If you want to do the Cherokee stuff first, like a bumper or sliders, you just go with basically the 1.75 inches, probably 6 inches.
Yeah.
Beautiful bends on 120 wall. Do you think you'll be doing the Cherokee stuff first?
Yeah, Cherokee stuff first.
Okay. Cool. Well, that's probably the die we'll go with. I'm going to send you an invoice for it, which basically is just going to be a bunch of free stuff. It's the tubing bender, welded and powder coated, Model 605 with the air over hydraulic setup, and then Versanotcher, which comes assembled as well. And then the bender actually comes with a wrap on it, which is pretty cool. So it's going to be a real slick one with vinyl on the side of it to, kind of look awesome. Plus, it's got some of the instructions and stuff. So cool. I'll put that all together. That's pretty much everything that we needed to know. If you do want to do any upgrades, I'll probably send you links to some of them, some of the popular stuff that Colin or Brandon here will recommend. And if you do want to spend any money to upgrade it, you can. If you don't, you can just take it just the way it is and we'll send it to you. But huge congratulations. And then the phone call is going to end here. So if you have any advice for the 119 people that are going to watch this video in the next 15 years, you can give it to them now.
Guys, I did not expect I was going to win. I honestly just needed a new tech jacket for work because it's rainy season and the sweater looked awesome. So I just kind of figured, why not go for it? If I win it, I win it, and I freaking won it.
Yeah, that's awesome. Yeah, I think this 2-month period there was a little bit under 200 people that entered, so you were one of them. And since you bought, a jacket and a hoodie, you get 2 entries for every $1. So you got more entries than probably the average person who entered because, there are some people that just do postcards or a sticker or something like that. So you had pretty decent odds. So I'll confirm your address once we terminate the recording part of this. But yeah, huge congrats. Thanks for your time, Myron. And now to the viewers, thank you guys all for watching the video. roguefab.com/drawings is where you would go to enter to win like Myron did. So thank you guys.